I think if I want to summarize, right, all the 3 trainings I've went through, the consistency that I see here is they are all practical. And the other word that comes up for me is called brain friendly. It's brain friendly. So it's practical because the workshops, I mean, they are conducted by experienced practitioners. They know the topic well, and it's actually good to tap into their experience. There's always enough time to ask questions and explore. It's not as if always being rushed through the materials. It helped to fill in the missing pieces that I have. There's always a third and last session together to come back and relearn. The Flame Center trainings, I can see how the workshops are structured, and the way that it's facilitated, it actually leveraged on how adult learning actually works. For example, things like we have individual times for reflection. We have time to do review before we move on. The peer discussions was useful because it challenges some of my own assumptions. Of course, the hands-on practice based on real-world case studies, all these things, they work together to help to solidify the learning. 3 adjectives. Paradoxical, but let's try that. Simple, deep, holistic.